Browsers and search engines. What are they, and what's the difference? Well, let's first think about what is a browser. A browser is a tool that you use to view a web page. Some of those browsers are Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, and Chrome. You could use any one of those, and there's others out there. And what's a search engine? Well, a search engine is a tool that you use to find where you want to go. Google or Yahoo, Bing. Again, there's other ones out there, but this doesn't really give us a full picture. To do that, let's think in terms of an analogy. If I have a telephone and I want to be able to call Aunt Sally, the first thing I need to do is make sure I have a telephone provider. So I go through the phone company and I plug my telephone into the wall, and now I get a dial tone. I can connect out to the world. I still can't call Aunt Sally though, unless I know her telephone number. Once I have that, I dial the number and I could talk to Aunt Sally. Well, let's look at this in terms of the internet. I can get a browser, and it's not going to do me any good unless I'm connected to the internet. So I go through my service provider, my internet service provider, and I get connected to the internet. But I'm still not going to get to a specific site, maybe Aunt Sally's webpage, unless I know the address, somesite.com. But what if I don't know the address? Well, looking back at the phone, if I don't know Aunt Sally's phone number, what I can do is I can go ahead, find information, or maybe talk to the operator, and the operator can say, this is Aunt Sally's phone number, and I can dial it. And then I can talk to Aunt Sally. If I want to get to Aunt Sally's website, and she hasn't given me that address, what I can do is I can do a search through Google or one of the other search engines and find her address and get to her site, or find information on almost any topic you want. The internet is filled with so many things. The web is endless these days. But that right there gives you an idea of what a browser is, what a search engine is, and how it fits into the overall workings of the web.